Hi guys, welcome back to my channel where I do how-to videos on various topics. Today we're going to be looking at how students can upload their work using the G Suite platform. Before we get into the video, please subscribe to my channel and leave a like below. Let's get into it. You're going to click on the Google Classroom app, click on your class. You're going to go to classwork. Now, it is important to note that there are two types of assignments that you will receive. You will receive an assignment that does not have an attachment, and you will receive an assignment that has an attachment. Let's look first at the assignment without an attachment. So the assignment that does not have an attachment will just be a question. The question might require you to watch a video, or it might require you to go to a site, or it might just ask a question. So if it does not have an attachment, these are the steps you follow. You're going to click on the assignment. Then you're going to look to the bottom of the page, press the arrow that is pointing up and drag it up. So let's say that this assignment asked, what is a noun? Or in your own words, write the definition of a noun. So you have two choices here. You can either write the definition in your book, take a picture of it and then upload it, or you can do everything on your phone. So the first method, if you took a picture of it, you're going to click add attachment, go to file. So you can either go to file or you can take a photo. If you have anything saved to My Drive, you can do that. So go to file. It will bring you to your gallery, downloads, internal storage, SD card, and so forth. After you have chosen something, choose something, then it's going to be uploaded above add attachment. If you do not see your file above add attachment, it means that it was not uploaded. So this is basically if you completed the work on a piece of paper or in your notebook and you took the picture and you are ready to upload, you're just going to press turn in. Once you press turn in, the assignment will be uploaded. Now let's say that you complete everything using your phone. You're going to have to go to add attachment. If you want to complete it using Google Docs, it will be like Microsoft Word. New slides would be PowerPoint, and new sheets would be spreadsheet. So let's go to Google Docs. Once you click on Google Docs, it's going to automatically bring up a blank document with your name. You have to open in Google Docs. And once you click that, it's going to prompt you to download Google Docs. Or to install it rather. Once you have downloaded and installed Google Docs, you'll be able to make changes. Once you are finished downloading the Google Docs, this is what will come up. All you have to do is press on the icon that looks like a pencil, and then you can type. Once you are finished typing, all you have to do is press the tick. After which your document will be saved automatically, and you just press on the X to exit. Notice that once you click back on the document, you will see that the changes you made have been saved. Because we're dealing with Google Docs, once you make a change, it will be automatically changed in the document, so you don't have to click save. And it's the same rule would apply if you wanted to do a Google Slide or Google Sheets. You just have to download the app, complete the assignment in the app, and then it would be saved automatically. Then it would come above add attachment with your name. How you can use your smartphone to complete all of the assignments without having to write anything in your notebooks. So it's up to you. And remember that this is the assignment that does not have an attachment. There's a different rule for an assignment with an attachment. After doing all that, all you have to do is click on Turn In, and your assignment will be uploaded to your teacher. I hope you understood. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any requests or suggestions, leave it in the comments below. Thank you for watching and subscribing.